Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Oh my god, you will not believe this. I've just been entrusted with clearing all these models. They're still in the boxes. There's Hornby trains, there's die-cast models, there's Atlas editions, there's all sorts, there's Airfix kits. And this is only part of the guy's collection. It's my nephew's granddad. He's having to downsize and he's getting rid of some of his stuff. So let's just see what there is here. That is a Ford coupe here. The box will clear. Most of them have never been out of boxes. Look at that beauty. What we got here? We've got Corvette, 58 Corvette. Tell you what, if my garage was ram-packed before, it certainly is now. Got 58 Plymouth Fury there, and there's boxes on boxes. There's just boxes on boxes of stuff. Like, what's in here? I don't know, I haven't looked myself yet, so I'm as surprised as you are. A Kitmaster plastic scale model, Deltic, diesel. Just take the top off. He's pre-built. He looks quite well built as well. There's an LMS something there. I don't know much about trains. What else have we got? Just there. Probably back in the day when he was in his own car. I'll have to return that to him. But we've got a Evening Star, Airfix 00, unbuilt. I'm sure it'll all be there. A road map of Jamaica. Airfix Lima 00, and that's just a box. Not sure what that is. Looks like a little Ledo kind of thing. What else we got? London bus, free when you buy a pack of Castrol GTX. I can see we've got some Hornby 00 in there. Let's just put them back. Got some sort of controller box there for trains. There's another bag down there. Well, there's a car. This one's out of its box. Mercedes SL. It's got a couple of chips on the roof there. It was wrapped in bubble wrap. He's one of the rare ones that I've been told's out of the box.